Thanks, Pat. The president's health care law faces what could be its toughest legal challenge yet. And if the White House loses this case, some experts predict it could severely cripple the law and eventually cause it to unravel. Dale Hurd has the story.
4 words could doom the entire 2,000-page Affordable Care Act on a technicality. Those words, to be argued before the court today, are established by the state. Opponents say the law required individual states to create their own health care exchanges, but 34 states chose not to do that. So the Obama administration created a national health care exchange. If the court decides that violates the law, 5 to 7 million Americans might not be eligible to get subsidies from the federal government to buy health insurance.
If the court were to rule that the administration's interpretation was wrong, then there are 34 states where people would no longer be able to get these tax credits for buying coverage on the exchange.
And if those subsidies went away, experts say Obamacare could crumble because only the sickest people would join exchanges and premium rates would skyrocket. Lawyers for the government will argue against a literal interpretation of the law, saying the intent is clearly to help people in all 50 states get affordable health care coverage.
There's breast cancer in my family, so for me it was very important to get the affordable care so that I could go and get all of my preventive care.
After narrowly surviving a constitutional challenge in 2010, the fate of Obamacare is once again in the hands of 9 justices. Some Republicans say either way, they'll keep working to repeal the law.
It's bad for patients, bad for the providers, the nurses and doctors who take care of them, and terrible for taxpayers.
This is just one more example of a law that has all sorts of unintended consequences and adverse effects for all sorts of people.
The Supreme Court's decision is expected to come down in June. Dale Hurd, CBN News.